Some vaccine trials are now underway in children, but it will take time. As Heather Yourex-West reports, that means any hope of reaching herd immunity will have to wait.
For the last year, the Lucier family has been on an almost total lockdown. 9-year-old Braden is immunocompromised and cannot risk contracting COVID-19.
12 months since he's been to a park, since he's been able to play with other kids. It's a lot.
Lucier doesn't see that changing until every member of the family is vaccinated. But right now, there are no COVID-19 vaccines approved for use in children. The Pfizer-BioNTech shot can be used for teenagers as young as 16, with some exceptions allowed for medically vulnerable kids as young as 12. For everyone else, safety trials have only just begun.
Pfizer and the Moderna, those companies are doing bridging studies in adolescents right now, 12 years of age and above. And the expectation is that there will be results by late spring.
Only after those trials are completed will the vaccine be studied on children under the age of 11 or 12, which means it could be well into next year before a COVID-19 vaccine is available to all.
When we talk about what it takes to get to herd immunity for this virus, it's vaccinating about 3/4 of the population. And it's really hard to get there to 3/4 of the population without vaccinating children.
Children can get infected with COVID-19 and contribute to viral spread, but they are less likely to suffer from severe illness, which may lead fewer parents to opt for the shot.
There are things that we as doctors and scientists owe to parents, and first on that list, I think, is robust safety data from children. And that's why the trials that are going on now are so important.
The data will help doctors combat vaccine hesitancy among parents when vaccines are approved for children. But in the meantime, it also means medically vulnerable families like the Luciers will have to stay locked down and on alert. Heather Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.